back, guys, to the Epic Friends channel. And today we're going to be doing a slime video. We have tons of slime that we made the other day. So we have oh my goodness, I can't get undone. Okay. We have the blues, more blues, more blues, more blues.
We have
blue.
greens and
weird stuff.
Pinks and stuff like that.
Okay, so you get this one.
Okay.
I want the pink.
So this is all my slime. She left all her slime at home.
I have the same kind of slime.
Yeah, so we have the exact same slime.
This is crunchy slime. It has beads in it. It's very
We'll do a close-up pictures after.
So pretend this is your hand. It feels very cold and crunchy.
We're going to do a long video of all the slimes in one line.
Yeah,
so this is the other slime that I had.
Is it crunchy?
No, it's regular slime.
Okay. What is it made out of?
It's made out of borax and glue.
And lotion.
Yeah, lotion and stuff. This is a green sparkly one. So yeah.
This one's a dark blue one. It is very cold, sparkles, and that's really it. Yeah. Okay, your one. So
the next one I am doing, let's do this. It's called Ocean Blue. And we're actually going to be putting them all at the end. And you can comment down below what number you like. We'll do this all at the end. But what number you like the most will be you will comment down below. And then
5.
we could be we could do a whole video making a whole ton of it or something.
I like 5.
Which one's 5? Okay.
9.
So this is the one I have. It's like a purpley blue. It's actually called Ocean Blue. And it's really squishy. It makes good sound, I think. I don't know.
Okay, mine is this nice pink, and it's crunchy slime again. It makes a lot of weird sound thingy-majiggies, and it's just amazing. Here, I'll show you one of the beads in it. It's hard to...
It's really
you got it. I'll try to find a big one. Okay, Lydia, you're up next.
Okay. So the next one I'm doing is another green one. This one's actually a crunchy slime. Careful. And it's a green. It feels really good. And here is one of the beads. Shiny pink. So yeah.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I come to see you.
Okay, I'm just trying to get this one. Okay, this is my favorite slime in the world. It's the hot pink.
It's actually a jiggly slime.
It really is. It's so amazing.
Actually, comment down below all the numbers. We'll tell you the numbers at the end of the video. But comment down any number you like, and then we'll give you the ingredients to make it. So, yeah.
The first one that commented is subscribed and gives a thumbs up, gives a comment that's saying they want the crazy what number slime will get a preview and see it, and they will get the ingredients.
And then they can make it.
Yeah.
If they really like
exactly like we did. It's amazing.
And this is all homemade slime. We don't have any store-bought slime.
All we did is borax, water, glue, and colors.
Yeah.
We'll tell you the exact colors. We'll tell you the exact colors. So you want these, and then tell you where we got the beads and stuff. And then we're at Lydia's house right now, and some videos might be at my house, some videos
might be at different places.
We're the stepsisters.
Best friends, more like. So I have this slime.
Ooh, that one.
It's really stretchy. It's actually made from clear glue. It has blue sparkles in it, which makes it look blue when it's all crunched together. It has big chunks of sparkles. And yeah, it feels really good. And I wish you guys could feel it because it's like a putty, but it's really squishy.
I get a shape too because I have this one. Okay, this one is a cool one. It's a stress ball slime.
The slime in it is this blue slime.
It's very cool.
We'll show you it. It's in the pile.
It's the dark one.
No, it's in there still.
It's right here. You can see it. It's beautiful. Okay, you can put that.
So this will be number.
And then I gotta show you my slime right here.
This one's really
huge
sticky.
bag. Oh, so is the bag. Oh goodness, that was in there.
It's gonna be a challenge to get back in the bag.
Yes, very. This guy doesn't want to get off. Okay, this slime is very. Hey, Lydia, you just took their platform.
What?
You just pushed the stool.
Sorry.
Can you move it?
I was gonna show you what time it is. Me.
Huh?
Is it? It is 12:03, guys.
In the morning.
It's late.
So we are very tired.
Yeah.
So we might be acting very tired.
That's why we can barely do our intro.
We're like, hey guys. Yeah, and that's our new one. Hey, welcome back.
We were trying to watch our views go up on our videos.
We
so
have
a big TV.
Big board.
Up. To the side.
There. Right? Did I get it? Well, right there. As you can see, we're watching our views go up. And we have 20 views. Thank you so much, guys. We were so excited. And it has only been on for 7 hours. And we're just thank you so much for the support. And we have 17 likes. So we are very, very, very excited.
No, we don't have 17.
Yeah, it just doesn't show it. We have 17 likes. And so we're really, really excited. And this is the quickest I've ever seen any likes go up. Thank you so much, guys. So please tell your friends, family, tons of that stuff, all the people you know about this channel. And if we get up to 200, we'll bring out this t-shirt that you guys can have.
Mm-hmm.
How much are we going to put it on for? $10.
Sure. Yeah, we have to. So I get
Around there. $10 to $20.
So my next slime is the one that is actually in the
ball.
stress ball.
In the ball.
In the ball.
In the balls. Yeah,
This one I made in Muskoka, so it's like really special. It's actually a really nice like putty.
Ew, this one's gross.
I don't know which one that is.
Ugh, this one, feel it.
So it's like a really nice putty, basically.
Ow.
It's blue,
I ripped it. I'll have to
sparkly.
put it in the microwave. I'm just kidding. It was just a joke that me and my friend played. Very funny. Okay. Right. Lydia.
Oh gosh.
Well, right here.
Oh, I don't like this one.
I can't.
This has to be an old one because it barely.
I can't stretch it. Here.
Let's put it in the microwave. Okay, let's put this. I don't think this is gonna be on the comments.
No. That one's.
Okay, so the last slime. Oh, you have one? No. So the last slime we have is. We can do a slime smoothie, maybe. You know what that is?
And then mix it all up
Yeah.
together and then drink it.
No.
No, I'm just kidding.
This one is a really nice, stretchy, light blue. It's called
You know what we can do? We can
Sky Blue.
We can get a package of gummy bears and melt them and then put them into a smoothie like some people do and like add like sour things like
Yeah, sour smoothie.
just candy. Just say if you guys think that's a good idea, put candy smoothie on and we'll hopefully do that sometime soon.
Okay, guys, so it's time for me to show you all the slimes
Collection.
together. And you guys get to comment down below any
Well,
number.
what's your favorite?
So
And
let's
the first
do
one
that.
that does that gets the ingredients. I almost forget it.
Yep. So this will be number 1. It's the crunchy one. If you don't remember, go to the beginning of the video and see what this one is. This one is the second one, number 2. So number 1, number 2. This one's a plain slime. This one is a plain slime 2. It's number 3. This is a plain slime 2. Might have a little bit of beads in it.
You get it. It goes
But
in order.
it's number 4. This is a crunchy slime. It is number 5. This is a crunchy slime as well. It's number 6.
It's turquoise.
Yeah, turquoise. And this is a jiggly
That's my favorite.
pink slime. It is number 7. And then this one is number 8. And then this is number 9. This is number 10. It's a really nice one, but it's really sticky. This is my favorite one, number 10. Number 11. And number 12. If you don't remember what any of these sound like or look like, go to the other the beginning of the video.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. We had so much fun doing it. If you have any ideas for future videos or anything like that, click that subscribe button and comment down below what you want to do. Sorry guys, we're really tired.
Yeah, very tired.
So if you want to do more of these night videos, we can do more scare videos.
Oh, I hate those videos.
And just give us some suggestions and we'll do it.
And
just
we
PG.
we also got a comment on our newest video
for
saying,
the music. Thank you so much, whoever put that out. And we'll definitely use it. We'll definitely use it.
Yeah, shout out to them called Smart Music. Go subscribe to them and go listen to all their cool music.
Because we put up music and they're like, they have sucky music.
Yeah.
They need better music. So thankfully they commented and gave us the name of it. Then we download it. Thank you so much for putting it on there. And I just wanted to say thank you. Also,
I'm putting the slime away if you guys were wondering.
Also, comment down below what you want us to do next time, because tomorrow we might be doing a water day.
Yeah, maybe.
That's just a preview. And I just wanted to say, hopefully you guys are having a great day. If not, hopefully this video cheered you up. If not, we have other videos that you can go ahead and watch.
Yeah, we have about 2 other videos you can go watch.
Exactly. Right there. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And we're watching them go straight up to the roof. We're watching them very slowly but steadily. So if you guys just watch that, please tell your friends and family, like I said before. And I just wanted to say goodbye.